Hello mga kasansi at mabuhay! Panibagong episode naman po ang inyong matutunghayan ngayong year 2.
Salam, Shilonek, Shakbarek, Shalumek, kay Palhal. Marhaba to all our kasansi out there. It's another wonderful day again with full of love, happiness, and excitement only here at
Sam
and Quiz
the Podcast! Alright, yes mga kasansi, Mama Viva, welcome again. This is another special day, a special episode. Welcome po sa Himig ng Kalayaan 2025! Yes!
Kumusta naman?
Correct naman talaga namang at ito na natuloy na rin.
Yes,
Oo,
after
diba?
you remember dahil nagkaroon ng medyo gulo-gulo noon. So talagang ikinansel nila pero hindi pwedeng hindi matuloy.
Hindi pwedeng hindi matuloy mga kasansi.
It's another series again ng 127
Correct!
Philippine Independence Day.
Hindi lang month long ha, umabot na tayo ng month of July mga kasansi.
Para lang matuloy.
Correct, this is July 10, 11, and 12.
Yes, it's gonna be a 3-day celebration.
So,
grabe, no?
Grabe, diba?
Grabe ang celebration ng 127th Philippine Independence Day ng Pilipinas, Sam.
Yes, it's organized by Bronme. At syempre kasama din po natin yan ang Philippine Embassy.
Ang Philippine Embassy. And of course, syempre, ano-ano bang mga magaganap?
Ang daming magaganap ngayon. Talaga narito po tayo ngayon. It's July 10, mga kasansi. We're having our opening ceremony.
Yes.
Talagang pinabongga na kasi nagaganap po ngayon ang bonggang Santa Cruzan Parade. Oo, talagang grabe no, mga design. Yes.
Hindi lang yun. Ano pa mga, alam mong mga Reynas?
Ang alam ko lang talaga, Reyna Emperatriz yung Grand, tsaka Reyna Elena.
Yes.
Reyna de los Flores.
Yes, at saka Reyna Duquesa, Reyna Esperanza,
Yes,
di ba?
correct.
Mga kasansi, bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting, alam ko naman lahat ng mga Pilipino,
marami.
alam nilang about Santa Cruzan.
Yes.
It's a part of celebration ng every Filipinos sa mga peace day nila.
Correct. Usually, it's the month of May nagaganap.
Month of May, yes.
Flowers Festival din, mansan ginaganap tong natin, Santa Cruzan. At talaga we are so happy, Mama Viva, kasi yung iba nating mga participants sa Santa Cruzan is mga kaibigan nating mga vloggers.
I'm so happy kasi alam mo, yung Reynas na yan, nakumpleto nila.
Correct. At talaga nakakatawa. Nakita natin dyan si Love, di ba? Andyan si
Love,
Alisa.
si Ray.
Correct. Andyan din. At talagang we are so happy. Si Camila. Andyan din.
Camila. And of course, one of the Filipino entrepreneurs.
Yes, ang Pinoy Turo, ang Reyna Emperatriz ngayon.
Yes,
si
ang
Madam
Reyna
Mars. So,
ang gaganda lang mga, kanilang mga sagalas outfit.
yes, at talaga namang one of the highlight ito, mga kasansi, Mama Biba, sa event natin, ang Himig ng Kalayaan 2025.
Yes,
Ba't ang dami pang
absolutely.
magaganap?
So ito ba yung mga magaganap ngayong Thursday? Siyempre, nandiyan na ang, natapos na ang ribbon cutting.
Oo. Siyempre, ang Santa Cruzan Parade. At syempre di mawawala mga bazaar, mga mabiba. Ang daming mga Filipino food.
Yes, and after that, meron tayong Filipino games for all ages.
Yes, at mamayang gabi naman, tonight, meron pong live duo acoustic na magaganap for tonight.
Wow.
At syempre, meron pa tayo noong July 11, ito Friday, mga
Yes, it's
mabiba.
gonna be on Friday.
Yes, the start po ng activities is around 2 p.m.
Yes.
Oo, magaganap po ang Kids Art and Heritage Corner. Create your own flag. Ang
Create
tema
your
nila
own
ngayon.
flag, ang
Oo.
tema nila, syempre.
Yes.
All of the activities of national heroes.
Yes, ang Bahay Kuboy Storytelling Area din. At ang Kultura Quiz Bee for Kids and Teens. Ay, bongga ha.
At marami
Oo.
pang iba, hindi lang yan. After 2 o'clock, meron tayong 2:30, ayan ang Harana Acoustic Performance.
Wow, bongga to ha. At syempre pa at 4 p.m. po, magkakaroon ng cultural dance. And of course, magaganap po dyan ang pagsasayaw o ang cultural presentation ng isang Filipino community dito, which is ang mga Guardian.
Wow, okay. At
Diba?
by 6 p.m.,
Oo, merong live choir performances mula sa San Lorenzo Ruiz Choir.
wow,
Ano?
talagang bonggang-bongga.
Oo.
Jump pack na 3 days.
Oo, at syempre pa, eto pa, mayroong highlight pa tayo sa gabi. At 7 p.m. magaganap naman po ang Kundiman Festival.
Revival.
Oo, Kundiman Revival Singing Competition.
Yes.
Oo, bongga din to. At syempre pa, mayroong mga side activities. Mayroong photo booth. Oo,
syempre.
may mga Filipino traditional clothing. And craft.
Ano ba mga Filipino traditional clothing?
Ano ba yan? Mga barot saya, mga barot
Saya,
diba?
mga patadyong, mga
Oo.
Filipiniana dress. Of course.
Correct. At syempre pa mga mga kasansi, ang bazaar timing po nila ay magsisimula ng 10 a.m. to 11
Up
p.m.
to 11 p.m.
Yes po yan, mula July 11 hanggang July 12. So ngayon nagbabazar na tayo July 10.
Yes, of course. And then,
Oo.
by July 12,
Napaka-busy, di ba?
jump pack nga.
Oo. Syempre pa, on July 12 po, magsi-start po ang program ng 1 o'clock in the afternoon ng traditional games and activities.
Yes, ayun ang gusto ko, yung traditional.
Oo, may
Di
mga-
ba? Sipa,
Oo.
mga traditional
Mga
yan,
ano
di
ba
ba?
yung ganun?
Yung piko.
Oo, piko,
yung mga
di ba?
ganon.
Correct. At syempre pa, mapapanood din natin ang documentary movie showing na mapapalabas po on July 12. Exciting to.
Yes,
di
it's gonna
ba?
be an LED screen.
Oo, at syempre pa, on 6:30 p.m., eto na, ang pinakaabangang Himig ng Kalayaan
Concert!
Meron tayong
siyang
live band.
Live band acoustic. And of course, song performance po ng kids and adults.
Correct. At talaga ng exciting jump pack na jump pack.
Oo.
Grabe ka busy ang brand me.
Iba talaga ang brand me kasi syempre,
Yes, naman.
dahil hindi nga natuloy,
Oo.
supposed to be one day, ginawa nilang 3 days.
3 days ang ginawa nito mga kasal. Talaga namang we are so happy at talagang i-cover natin ngayon ang first day, which is ang highlight natin ay ang Santa Cruzan 2025.
Yes, ang first day. At hindi lang yan, syempre maraming bazaar,
Oo.
maraming Filipino delicacies, Filipino
Yes.
foods,
Correct.
Filipino products.
Yes, all right mga kasansi. Ngayon niyo po kami as we cover the Himig ng Kalayaan 2025.
Bye!
Ladies and gentlemen, our Santa Cruzan parade starting with Reina de las Estrellas, our Queen of Stars, Katie Das, and escort Yusef Cladera. Once again, our Reina de las Estrellas, our Queen of Stars, Katie Das, with escort Yusef Cladera. Next, we have Kate Alessandra Gonzalez, escort Faniel Cladera. Another Queen of Stars, Miss Fatima Sabrina Mojumbe. Round of applause for our Queen of Stars. Next, we have Rosa Mystica, Miss Irene Cladera. Next, we have Miss Reina de Saba, Miss Ember Cyprian Gumabay. Next, we have Reina de Los Angeles, Eliza Camini, Queen of Angels. Next, we have Reina Paz, or Queen of Paz, Miss Isabel Santiago. we have Reina de las Flores, our Queen of Flowers, Miss Love Pandan. Next, we have Reina del Cielo, Miss Gia Rowen Gamul, representative of Pinay Icona. Next, we have representing Our Lady of Hope Group, Miss Juvie Albus, Reina de las Apóstoles. Your Reina de las Apóstoles, Miss Juvie Albus, representing Our Lady of Hope Group. Next, we have Reina Verdad, Miss Camille Joyce Ramos. Next, we have Reina Caridad, Miss Jaila May Gamoy. Next, we have Reina Fe, representing Verminex, Miss Catherine Haron. Next, we have Reina Esperanza, Miss Leia Jane Salcedo. Up next, we have Reina Vida, or Queen Vida, Miss Marites Gonzalez, representing all Guardians. On to our last two queens, and very important queens at that. Let's welcome your Reina Elena, Miss Lorraine Collection. And to welcome the queen of all queens, your Reina Emperatriz, Miss Marjorie Delco. That picture first. In 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the celebration of our 127th Philippine Independence Day, Himig ng Kalayaan or Melodies of Freedom. Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Himig ng Kalayaan! Palakpakan mo dyan!
Yes, mga kasansi, Mama Viva, nakita na natin yung presentation ng ating mga Reyna.
Yes, pinapakilala na sa ating mga VIPs, audiences, at visitors.
Correct. At syempre, nakita natin doon, Mama Viva, di ba? May iba't iba tayong mga visitor, mga diplomatic personnel. Nandiyan po yung ambassador ng Malaysia.
Yes, at hindi rin mawawala ang ating very supportive na si Mr. Yusuf Lori.
Yes, at syempre pakasama din natin po ang representative from Thailand Embassy. Nandiyan din po sila ngayon.
Yes, ang the Honorable Excellency.
Yes, ang nag-iisang
Miss Anne Halandoon Lois,
yes,
the
our Philippine Ambassador. Talaga namang they are enjoying the casting of the Santa Cruzan 2025.
Yes. Alam mo, in my entire journey dito sa Bahrain,
This is the first time.
I think it's the first time na
Yes.
magawa itong Santa Cruzan na ito.
This is the
And
very
I'm
first time.
happy.
Oo, this is the very first time na ma-showcase ang Santa Cruzan 2025.
Kasi alam mo,
Oo.
nakita ko yung mismong ads nila.
Yes.
Yung Santa Cruzan.
Oy,
Sabi
diba?
ko, maganda to i-cover para sa ating
Oo.
mga kasansi.
Oo, talagang-
Kompleto.
Correct ha, ang dami nila. Talaga mula sa bata, di ba Mama Viva?
Yes.
Hanggang sa Reyna Emperatriz, sa kumpleto nila.
Ang Reyna Elena,
Oo.
Reyna Duquesa,
Correct.
Reyna de las Flores.
Yes, na talagang
napakaganda.
we are so thankful mga kasansi, Mama Viva, sa ating mga participants, no? Na talagang nagkalaan sila ng oras to participate at makapag-ramp.
And I hope din sana makausap natin yung mga
Oo,
Reyna
yung iba sa ating mga
participants.
participants.
May pinakamagandang mga pangsagala outfit.
Ay naku, talaga, makikita naman natin magaganda yung mga
gaganda
outfits
eh.
nila.
At saka outfit katulad nito ni Reyna de las Flores.
Oo,
Alam
mga
mo,
flowerizations.
Sa flowers.
Oo. Ang daming flowers, nakakatuwa, di ba?
Yes.
At syempre, paano ko Reyna Elena natin? Nag-iisang Rain.
Ang
Si Rain.
Si Rain.
No?
Yes.
Ang ganda.
Talagang mga vlogger ha.
Oo, mga vloggers talaga ng Poca. Yung mga
Mapupuno talaga ang
Mapupuno ang faces. Oo.
Dahil it's a first ever
Yes.
Santa Cruzan.
2025. Kaya naman ako, let's see pa kung sino pa ang ating makakausap later on.
Yes.
Please help me and give a warm of applause to Her Excellency, our Philippine Ambassador to Bahrain. I don't want to cry. Ambassador Anne Halandoon Luis! Hello and good afternoon everyone and welcome to our Himig ng Kalayaan. As the name suggests in English, Melodies of Freedom, because this is actually still in commemoration of the Philippine independence. The date was postponed, so that's why we're holding it now in July. And I congratulate Brand Me for organizing this. The embassy is happy to support this event, which also promotes Philippine culture, traditions, and heritage. And I also thank the Oasis Mall for once again being a partner in this activity, and also all the vendors and our sadalas, our queens for the Santa Cruzan. I wish also to acknowledge our very special guests, the heads of the ASEAN nations here in Bahrain, Indonesian Ambassador, His Excellency Ardi Hermawan, Malaysian Ambassador, Dato Shazlil Sahiran, and of course, Chargé d'Affaires Nazira Zaini, and representing Thailand, Ta, thank you very much. And the spouses and the other diplomats and all the private sponsors, the companies who are joining this. Thank you. Please enjoy the Himig ng Kalayaan, which is until Saturday over these 3 days. And I hope that through this activity, you will have a taste of the Philippines and especially the wealth and the color and the dynamism of our country and the Filipino people. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Your Excellency Ambassador Anne. But before you go down on stage, we have a very special gift from Brand Me, of course, for being an inspiration from all of us, as you have helped us push a lot of these activities, cultural activities, and have inspired us and introduced us to our excellency, the other ambassadors, where we have also shared your culture with us. So thank you so much, Ambassador. This is a special gift from Brand Me. And also a special box with some greetings from the community. So it's a keepsake, ma'am. It has the Bahrain. Why are you crying, Anita? What happened? Not yet. If you start crying, I will also cry. Sige na, huwag na. So it has some messages po. It's a keepsake from the community. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the last time I'm gonna say this, but Her Excellency Anne Harando on the wheel!
Yes, alright. Yes, mga kasansin ako. Napakinggan naman natin ngayon. Nag-speech na si Amba.
Nag-speech na ang ating Philippine Ambassador. Siyempre, kinilir niya na it was a postponed na event last time. Pero ngayon talagang itinuloy nila.
Correct. At talaga na mga nasabi din niya doon, nagpapasalamat siya sa Brandy for organizing this event. At syempre pa yung ating mga Asian leaders.
Yes.
Mula sa Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and dyan. Talagang support talaga sa
very, kasi from the start pa lang ng celebrations ng 127th Philippine Independence Day is nandyan na sila, yung mga Asian leaders.
Oh, correct. At talagang 2 months long na to. Alright, yes, let's do this. Yes, mga kasasi, kasama natin ngayon, one of the Reyna.
One of the Reyna.
Kasama natin ang Reyna de Los Angeles.
Wow.
Los Angeles, no?
Yes, oo. Parang medyo parang American sounds of.
Yes. Kasama natin, one of the finest vlogger, Nano Influencer.
Ang one of the Reynas for today's
Yes, please welcome Alisa! Hi, Alisa!
Hello! Hi! Para kayong two angels ko.
Oo nga, mas yung kulay natin, di ba?
Ang ganda naman ng sa gala outfit.
Thank you.
Oh, it's so nice.
Ganda-ganda. Bongga.
Pilipiniana ang
Correct. So, Alisa, bati naman natin ating mga kababayan dito sa Bahrain.
Hello! Marhaba! Mabuhay!
Ang ganda ha. Ano ba? Saan ba inspired ang gown mo?
Wow.
Julia P.
Bongga.
Ano naman ang na-feel mo nung sinabi nilang kukunin ka na as one of the Reynas?
Yes, of course, very honored because we have a very good Filipino community in Bahrain and everyone's very supportive, and to share this culture and tradition to the Filipinos and other people here in Bahrain, I'm very proud to be this culture is from Philippines.
At saka first time to na naganap. Santa Cruz
ang first Santa Cruzan dito sa Bahrain. And we're glad na narinig ka namin that you are one of the Reynas.
Oo.
Pwede naman talaga.
Bongga. Once again, Reyna de Los Angeles, Alisa. O yun nga mga kasasi, at kayo naman po, talaga naman magtutour na po ang ating mga visitors sa bazaar.
And before that, narinig ko ang ating mga favorite songs. Kung saan tayo nakilala.
Oo nga, mga VST songs. Ayan naman, Pinoy na Pinoy talaga namang marami po kayo matutunghayan dito sa 3-day celebration ng Himig ng Kalayaan 2025.
Yes, so
talagang fantastic.
Sa bawat Reynas ba?
Yes!
Wow!
Naman. Magbabazar tour sila ngayon, kaya naman mga kasasi, let's watch as we cover.
Yes!
Yes, mga kasasi, kasama naman natin ngayon one of the Reyna, Mama Bebop.
I'm happy kasi
I'm happy.
Siya yung hinahanap ko talagang ganito mga outfit pagdating sa mga Reynas.
Tsaka she looks young ha, talaga nakakatawa.
Yes.
Ang ganda-ganda. Si Reyna Vaz! At syempre kapangalan mo siya.
Isabel?
Oo, si Isabel.
At ang tangkad.
Tangkad mo ha.
Oo,
Kamusta kayo, Isabel?
Okay lang po, maganda po yung araw na to.
Wow.
Ilan taon ka na ba?
17 po.
17? Oh my gosh!
Baka tayo 47 dito, Mama.
Hindi, ito, soon to be Miss Philippines Bahrain.
Yes,
and then
why
soon
not?
to be Miss Universe Philippines.
Correct, why not? Join ka sa mga pageant.
Why not, di ba?
Ayan ako. Ang ganda-ganda naman ni Isabel. So may gusto ka bang batiin, Isabel?
Wala po naman ngayon, pero sumasumuporta po sa akin. Yun po, magandang amo po.
Wow. You're still studying,
Gorgeous.
Nag-aaral ka pa?
Po, nag-aaral po.
Sa Philippine school. Anong grade mo na?
Mag-grade 12 na po.
Or grade 12?
Wow.
Bongga.
You have a long way to go and good luck. Good luck sa'yo.
Join ka sa pagandahan na once again mga kasansi, Isabel, Reyna Vaz. Alright, yes mga kasansi, kasama naman natin ngayon ang Reyna de las Flores. Isa din sa vlogger ng Filipino dito po sa Bahrain. At ang ganda ha.
Oo.
Super.
At saka talagang pasok na pasok.
Pasok na pasok.
Do you know, alam naman natin na ang Flores is
Yes.
a flower.
Correct. At ang
So,
ganda.
Reyna de las Flores.
How are you, love?
I'm good.
Yes. Kamusta naman ang feeling ngayon? Di ba mabigat ang dress?
Hindi mo mabigat masyado. Oo.
Parang ano to? Ilang kilo ba to?
Mga kakilo ko
Oh my God, ang bigat!
right now.
Yes, pero at least,
Pero kaya naman, carry naman.
carry, no?
Pinapil ko yung dress kasi ang ganda. Of course, I want to shout out my brother, Tran.
Wow!
Personal designer.
Ang ganda, promise. Talagang
Promise.
floral na floral.
Headdress. Also, wildflower. Oh, di ba?
Fresh na fresh yan. Fresh, no? Fresh flower.
Fresh flower. Pumagay talaga siya sa
Wildflower.
wildflower.
Ang ganda naman ha. You're so gorgeous. Sama, Reyna de las Flores. Nakakasan.
Patan.
Alright, yes mga kasasi. Kasama na naman natin isa sa vlogger din.
One of the vloggers.
Filipino vlogger here in Bahrain.
Bahrain.
At ang ganda-ganda nito sa kanyang white Filipiniana dress.
Yes. Oo.
Ang nag-iisang Spicy Camila.
Yes, and one of the Reynas for
Reynas.
today, Santa Cruzan.
Correct, bongga.
Everybody, I'm so excited to be here. Thank you for having me.
Ang ganda naman sa white dress mo. Reyna, ano ba to?
I am representing the Reina Verdad.
Oo.
Yes, it's the queen. It's the queen of truth. Yes.
Talagang purity din kasi puting-puti, di ba?
And simplicity is also the best.
Yes, Camille, I just wanna ask a question because you're always tagged as a princess,
Yes.
as a queen, as a
Oo.
Reynas.
Oo.
How do you feel?
It's overwhelming. I'm so happy and so grateful for everyone that's supporting me and has seen me as a representative of like the princess or a reina. So I'm so happy to be like this a representative for them.
Yes, you know that is a very special occasions in the Philippines sa Santa Cruzan.
This is the first time also in history.
Oh my gosh, it's also my first time too as a reina. Yes, I didn't know about it. And then I had to search it for a bit, like what is Santa Cruzan, what is the Flores de Mayo, and oh my God, it was.
She knows.
Yes, I did my research, so it was very historical. I enjoyed everything, and I love to wear dresses. As you know me, I love to dress up. So this is definitely something that I'm very proud to be a part in.
And you are so gorgeous talaga sa white dress na to. No?
And sooner, it might be, Camila will be joining Santa Cruzan in the Philippines.
Correct. Oo. Warm up na to sa kanya.
Yes,
You warm
may not
up.
know.
Yeah.
Alright, yes mga kasansi, Spicy Camila! Alright, yes mga kasansi, kasama naman natin ngayon ang one of the queen, the
Yes.
Queen of Hope in English.
Not only Queen of Hope, talagang
Diba?
queen siya sa every Filipino's heart.
Yes naman, mga kapamilya, mga kapuso, mga kasansi, please welcome Reyna Esperanza!
Si Leia!
Leia, how are you, Leia?
I feel so good today. I feel so beautiful.
Yes naman.
Of course.
My handlers ko, they put a lot of effort for my look today.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng gown.
Correct. How do you feel that you are one of the Reynas?
Oh, I'm so honored kasi hindi ko na-expect to. But yeah, I'm so happy and glad.
So first time mo rin ba mag Santa Cruz?
My first time in my whole life. 30 years.
Ang dami first time ngayon.
Dito sa Bahrain,
That's why I'm so thankful sa Barry.
Yes.
But
So
you know
proud.
about the Santa Cruzan, correct?
Yes. Hindi lang ako naka-experience.
At least, di ba?
Yeah.
You're so beautiful.
Better late than nothing.
Correct.
Of course, Leia is very beautiful. Aside of, she's one of the Reynas, sumasali din siya sa mga beauty pageants.
So yun mga kasansi, once again, Reyna Esperanza, Leia.
Leia!
Yes mga kasansi, kasama na natin one of the best queen.
Yes, and
Mama Viva.
inaabangan talaga.
Correct.
When it comes to Santa Cruzan.
Oo, bongga to. Bonggang Reyna, mga kasansi, one of the vlogger dito po sa Kingdom Bahrain.
One of with the beautiful
Beautiful
faces
face.
sa Bahrain. I admit it.
Yes, mga kasansi, please welcome the Reyna Elena itself, Rain! Ay, wow! Ang ganda, oo.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa kay Rain.
Oo, di ba? Talagang deserve.
Yeah.
Hindi, deserving naman siya talaga to be
Yes naman.
Reyna Elena.
Correct. Bagay na bagay sa name niya, Rain, Reyna.
Reyna, yes. So, ano naman ang napil mo that you are one of the Reynas? And mataas na posisyon ng Reyna.
Kasi, to tell you honestly, it's my first time joining Santa Cruzan.
Yes,
Kasi, hindi ako sinasali ng parents ko before kasi baka sobrang ma-discover tayo. Hindi talaga nila ako sinasali, pero this is such a great experience. And sana nagbigyan ko ng justice si Reyna Elena.
Yes, you are.
Salamat. And I hope more Santa Cruzan to come. And sana yung mga Filipino natin na magaganda, sumali rin, di ba? It's such an encouragement para sa kanila na sumali sa mga ganitong parade. Kasi etong Santa Cruzan na to, or etong Filipino cultural event na to is for everybody. Sino-showcase natin dito sa bansang Bahrain.
Saka bagay na bagay talaga kay Rain.
Yes,
Reyna.
and this is the first ever Santa Cruzan na ginawa
First
dito sa Bahrain.
ever.
So, you make the history. You are one of the Reyna Elenas.
Ang ganda, di ba? Mga kasansi, once again, our Reyna Elena, Miss Rain! Alright, yes, mga kasansi, kasama naman natin ngayon. Ito na ang highlight ng
Highlights,
ng
yes.
Santa Cruzan. Yes, this is the last queen.
Last queen.
Diba? Grand queen.
And not only the last queen, she
Oo.
also known as the Filipina entrepreneur.
Correct. Legendary ang restaurant, ang Pinoy Turo.
Yes, and very close in our hearts.
Yes, of course naman. Kasama natin ang Reyna Emperatriz itself, Madam March! Hi! how
Thank
are
you, and it's good to see you here. And then, so this festival is so amazing, and especially the brand me who organized this, and you guys, thank you very much. It's so amazing day for everybody. And then with this beautiful dress.
Yes,
How it feels, naman?
Oo, talaga.
Proud.
It's a Reyna
proud.
Emperatriz
Yes.
talaga, very much.
Very,
Pero Reyna.
yes.
The last Reynas, di
So
ba?
ano ba yung feeling, Miss March? So ikaw yung napiling Reyna Emperatriz?
Anyway, I feel special. And as well as I am happy to see everybody is happy and beautiful. And it is our opportunity to showcase our being authentic Filipino girls and specialties. So, and we are also very lucky to have you guys here to showcase all your, event and everything. Being two guys. And these events are very special, and also thank you so much for doing this. It's make me feel proud of all the Filipinos.
Wow.
Yes.
So, way back in the Philippines, have you tried to be a Reyna Elenas or in Santa Cruzan?
Or unfortunately, this is my first time.
Ayan, ang daming first time ngayon.
But you are Reyna Elenas of your business.
Of course naman.
Yes.
Maraming first time talaga. No?
Thank you so much for the support of Pinoy Toro Restaurant. So, I feel love with all the Filipinos.
Of course, Miss March.
Guys. And thank you very much.
Yes, once again,
Once again, Reyna Emperatriz itself,
Miss
Madam
March.
Thank you so much, Bongga. Alright, yes mga kasansi, together now we have the ever supportive person.
I like what I'm saying every time.
Every time for the Filipino events, mga kasansi, from the Ministry of Information and Follow-Up, Capital Governor Ray.
Yes.
Our director, Mr. Yusuf Lori. Hi, sir. How are you?
Oh, good afternoon. Very glad to see you again.
It's nice to see you again, sir.
Happy, and today we are celebrating beauty, to be honest. We see the colors, the energy, beautiful event.
So we are so happy that you are here again to support the Filipino community, and we are so glad and proud that you will be the one, like a Bahraini people, no, Mama Viva?
Absolutely.
It's my honor. First, I would like to thank you for always being here to covering such great events. And without media, these events will not go. Only the people who attend. So your role is also very important to share and to promote. And all these events happening in Bahrain is good to show how Bahrain is open for different culture and different talents to be exposed in Bahrain.
Yes, we're so glad on that. And of course, Sir Yusuf, you welcome on our anniversary, huh? Welcome. Yes, you will be the guest. See you so much. Thank you so much, makakasansi, Mr. Yusuf Lori. Alright, yes mga kasansi, kasama naman natin ngayon, very energetic pa rin mula noon hanggang ngayon.
Hindi napapagod sa celebration ng under 27 Philippine Independence Day.
Yes, at saka mas lalong nakilala ang Bahrain.
Yes.
Diba? Together with Her Excellency, Madam Anne Halandon Luis, our Philippine Ambassador. Hi, Madam. Kamusta po?
Good afternoon po.
Saman Chris, and thank you once again for being a part of this activity. Part of our cultural engagements, no, dito sa Bahrain, para naman mas lalong maging kilala yung Filipino people and our richness and colors of our country.
Talagang mula June, ngayon July na, talagang
Celebrate pa rin. Sa first Santa Cruzan.
I wish to congratulate the organizer, of course, Brad B, with the support of Oasis Mall and the Philippine Embassy dito sa Manama, Kingdom of Bahrain. No? Congratulations to Cristina Fulencio and her team for a very successful start pa lang, first day pa lang of the Himig ng Kalayaan.
So 3-day celebration to from July 10, 11, and 12. Talagang
Yes, and we're very thankful to our Philippine Ambassador. Talagang love na love niyo yung culture ng bawat Pilipino. Talagang kailangan
talaga ever supportive. Alam mo yun?
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Ma.
So much, Ma,
for your support, and I hope that you will continue this every year para naman we will really become closer with our Bahraini friends and the other foreign nationals, expat communities who are here, and really promote our country, including as a tourism destination, as a travel destination, as a business destination. Yeah.
So yun, Madam Anne. So last message po sa ating mga OFWs here in Bahrain.
Well, pinabati ko silang lahat uli. Although July na, this is still in commemoration of the Philippine Independence Day this year. And I hope that everybody could make it to visit here sa Oasis Mall today, July 10, and also hanggang tomorrow and Saturday, July 11 and 12. To celebrate Himig ng Kalayaan, please come and once again reconnect and rediscover our country and our people.
Alright, yes, maraming salamat po. Talagang grabe na si Madam Anne, no?
Oo, talagang
ever.
Very meaningful sa bawat puso ng Samin Krista Podcast.
Yes, oo. Kasi talagang welcome na welcome tayo kay Madam, di ba? Mga kasansi, once again, our Philippine Ambassador, Her Excellency, Madam Anne Halandon Luis. Alright, yes mga kasansi, kasama natin ito, totoong queen.
Walang
kapagod-pagod. The queen of entertainment dito sa Bahrain. Let's welcome from brand new Miss Christina. How are you?
Hello! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Magandang araw ng anibersaryo ng kasarinlan.
Kailangan ito mag-Tagalog ka buong interview.
Susubukan natin kung naaarok sa ating
Ang lalim ha? Alright, yes, Miss Christina, ano bang magaganap natin for this 3-day celebration?
First, maraming munang salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa Sansi. Happy anniversary!
Wow, thank you!
2 years! 2 years! Oh my God! 2 years na tayong naglolokohan. Maraming salamat dahil lagi nyo kaming sinusuportahan. Sa lahat ng aming mga ginagawa, hindi lang yung mga community, Filipino event, pati yung mga ibang community. So napakalaking bagay ng ginagawa nyo para sa ating mga Pilipino. So, thank you sa inyong dalawa.
You're always welcome.
Always welcome. Talagang ano tayo, grabe yung support natin, todo support tayo, syempre.
Magigulat ka na lang dyan, mag-i-interview na.
Oo, nag-interview na.
No, really, this one really talented and I've seen you guys grow.
Wow, thank you.
Na nag-i-interview kayo hanggang sa nag-e-evolve na yung
Di ba?
topics. Pati yung sinasabi nyo, nag-e-evolve.
Oh my God! From Miss Christina.
Oo.
Entertaining na kami panood. Natutunan pa.
Di ba? Correct.
So yun, anyways, maraming salamat po at nandito kayo ngayon sa opening ng Himig ng Kalayaan or Melodies of Freedom, our celebration of our 127th Independence Day. Medyo delayed lang tayo pero syempre kailangan nating ituloy.
Yeah.
Diba? Hindi naman pwedeng lumagpas ang June nang hindi nakakapag-celebrate ang ating Filipino community dito sa Bahrain.
At ginawa pong 3 araw.
Syempre, para laging maraming activities, maraming kasiyahan, maraming maganda at maraming mga
It's a
gwapo.
very long celebration, grabe.
Grabe, as in.
Kasi pag walang community celebration, di ba? Para pag walang ganito kita-kita ng mga Pinoy, kain-kain, parang kulang.
Tsaka hinahanap-hanap na to every time.
And Sam, it's another first with Brand B.
Yes.
At first Santa Cruzan dito sa Bahrain.
Kudos. Grabe yung excitement tsaka yung yung dinala ng Santa Cruzan event.
Oo, di ba?
Alam mo, ano yan syempre papasalamat tayo dun sa mga participant. Kasi we were aiming lang sana 6 or 5. Bigla na lang 17.
Grabe.
Nagulat din kami kasi ganun ka-love ng mga Pilipino, yung mga Filipinas especially, yung makapagdamit at makaparticipate sa Santa Cruzan. So from 5 na ini-aim namin, naging 17 silang
Bongga naman kasi, bongga.
Talagang mga Reynas ang itsura.
At saka first time nilang sumali sa Santa Cruzan kahit sa Pilipinas hindi sila sumasali. Dito na sa Bahrain.
Sayang lang kasi sa loob nangyari. Pero sa susunod, palalakihin pa natin.
Wow!
At with arc na yan.
Kasi tayo pinayagan ng arc-art. Kaya sa stage lang yung arc-art natin.
Pero bongga ha.
Pero bongga pa din yung mga ating Reynas.
Yes.
Hindi ka naman mapapahiya sa ganda nilang lahat. At
From
yung
Rain.
designer ng mga gowns, siya
Yes.
Pilipino rin yan.
Mga Pilipino.
Grabe, ang gagaling.
Siyempre, from Reyna Elenas, Esperanza, nandiyan ang kompleto.
Wala bata.
Mga bata hanggang not so matanda.
Talagang a big congratulations sa Brand B.
Congratulations, grabe.
Talagang
Pong salamat. Sana po tuloy-tuloy niyo po kaming suportahan. We have today and tapos may 2 more days pa tayo. Tomorrow ang highlight natin yung Kundiman Singing Competition. It's another first. Kasi first time nating magkakaroon ng Kundiman Singing Competition para maiba naman. Para ma-revive din yung ating classical Filipino music. So challenge yun para sa mga singers. No? Challenge sa kanila na matutunan, na maintindihan kung ano ba yung Kundiman. Diba? So we're bringing that back. Tapos syempre meron tayong mga live acoustic performances. Maya-maya meron tayong Little One and Juanas. So yung mga bata naman, naka-Filipiniana rin sila. Pagkatapos, syempre meron tayong mga activities, meron tayong Lasang Pinoy sa Saturday. So abangan nyo yan. At marami pa pong magaganap. Alam nyo naman, pag Brand B, marami naganap.
Oo,
dami maganap.
Sabi ko nga sa kanya kanina, sama alam mo pag ang Brand B talagang jump pack.
hindi, iba talagang level pag gumalaw ang Brand B.
Yes, oo.
Push na push yan. Alam mo naman, tsaka supportive kami talaga sa Miss Christina all the way. Ever since, diba? Ayan.
Of course,
Yeah, tama.
syempre mga kasansi, please follow the Brand B page,
Brand B page.
para
Ayan.
ma-update po kayo
BBH, ayan ako.
sa bawat activities and events na gagawin nila.
Talaga may napapatunayan na pagdating sa events.
Of course.
Hindi mapapahiya, di ba?
Wala talagang talagang hindi kayo pwedeng hindi pupunta kasi it's Brand B.
Yes naman. Alright mga kasansi, once again, the Queen of Entertainment, Miss Christina! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alright, yes mga kasasi, it's a blast na naman.
Hindi lang blast, jump pack.
Jump pack. Talaga nga, we're so see the beautiful people of Filipino community dito sa Bahrain.
Yes, of course, hindi lang tayo. Yung other nationality, nakita nila how rich yung culture ng bawat Pilipino.
Correct. At talaga namang sila sa mga kagandahan ng designs,
Yes.
makeups, at talaga namang ever beautiful mga Filipino beauty.
Yes, it's for those people na hindi nakakalam what's going on right now, it's a Santa Cruzan. It's a traditional way of every Filipinos to celebrate yung piyestahan.
The festival or the feast, di ba, sa Pilipinas. But then again, talagang nakausap din natin ating mga participants. Alam naman natin maraming first time.
Yes, first time. Talagang dito po sila naging reynas.
Correct. Sa Pilipinas daw sinasabi na hindi kami naging reynas. But here in Bahrain, we've got it.
Correct.
Talaga naman ako, we're so success at talaga namang we're so thankful sa organized sa brand. Siyempre, ang Philippine
Embassy. Ang Philippine Embassy.
Thank you so much.
And all the diplomats who attended.
Yes naman. At talagang thank you so much. July 10, 11, and 12. This
Don't
is
forget.
the Himig ng Kalayaan 2025. In English, Melody of
Philippines.
Freedom.
Freedom, okay.
Melody of Freedom 2025.
Of the Philippines. Ay,
Philippines.
Of freedom. Ganon.
Yes, naman. Alright, yes mga kasans. Ito na nga. Please do like, follow, and subscribe our social media accounts. Lalo pa ang ating Facebook page.
Ang ating TikTok.
At syempre ang ating Instagram.
At ang ating YouTube.
Ayun naman, maraming salamat. And of course, mga mabibilang.
Of course, mga kasansi, if you are looking for any STC line, like SIM Broadband, Voice SIM, 5G and Fiber, please contact 330-40473 and all the legit agents from STC will deliver your request at your doorsteps.
Ayan naman, talaga naman, thank you so much! Alright, yes mga kasansi, we are not just a Filipino, but
we are Global Filipinos!
Thank you so much mga kasansi, see you all again! This has been Sam
and Chris,
sa podcast! Happy Kalayaan!